ISO 13485 is an international quality management standard specifically designed for medical device organizations. It provides a framework for how companies design, manufacture, distribute, and maintain medical devices while meeting quality and regulatory requirements. Simply put, it's one of the most important standards in the medical device industry. Medical devices can directly impact patient health and safety. Because of that, regulators and customers need confidence that products are being developed and manufactured under controlled conditions. ISO 13485 helps organizations create consistent processes that reduce risk, improve product quality, and support regulatory compliance. The ultimate goal is ensuring medical devices are safe and effective for their intended use. When people hear ISO 13485, they often think only manufacturers use it. But the standard applies to a much broader range of organizations. Medical device manufacturers, contract manufacturers, distributors, suppliers, sterilization providers, and design firms may all implement ISO 13485 depending on their role within the medical device industry. At a high level, ISO 13485 requires organizations to establish and maintain a quality management system, often called a QMS. A quality management system is simply a structured way of controlling processes, documenting activities, managing risks, and ensuring products consistently meet requirements. The standard defines what organizations need to have in place to achieve that. One of the most important concepts within ISO 13485 is risk management. Organizations are expected to identify potential risks associated with their products and processes, evaluate those risks, and implement controls to reduce them. Rather than waiting for problems to occur, the focus is on preventing them whenever possible. ISO 13485 places a strong emphasis on documentation. Organizations must maintain procedures, records, work instructions, and quality documentation to demonstrate that processes are being followed consistently. Just as importantly, they must control those documents so employees are always working from approved and current information. Another key requirement is traceability. Companies need to be able to trace products, materials, and critical components throughout the product lifecycle. This becomes especially important if a defect is discovered and affected products need to be identified quickly. ISO 13485 also requires organizations to investigate problems when they occur. If a nonconformance, complaint, or quality issue is identified, the organization must determine the root cause and implement corrective actions. The objective isn't just fixing the immediate issue, it's preventing it from happening again. Organizations can become certified to ISO 13485 through an accredited certification body. During the certification process, auditors evaluate whether the organization's quality management system meets the requirements of the standard. One question that comes up frequently is how ISO 13485 differs from ISO 9001. While both standards focus on quality management, ISO 13485 was developed specifically for the medical device industry. It places greater emphasis on regulatory compliance, risk management, traceability, documentation, and product safety. Many people think of ISO 13485 as a medical device-specific quality management standard. To summarize, ISO 13485 is the internationally recognized quality management system standard for medical device organizations. Its purpose is to help companies consistently produce safe and effective medical devices while meeting regulatory and customer requirements. If you work in the medical device industry, understanding ISO 13485 is one of the most valuable foundations you can build. Still need help? QT9 is here for you. If you'd like to learn more about ISO 13485 and how quality management software can help streamline your processes, visit qt9software.com for additional resources and guidance.